Escape to luxury in the Great Smoky Mountains with Timber Tops. Our log cabin rentals shown at yourcabin.com have big screen TVs, pool tables, hot tubs, air hockey tables, and home theaters, plus spectacular views of the Smokies. Call 800-600-9605 for Timber Tops luxury log cabin rentals. Located in the heart of Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge Smokies, near the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, Dollywood, Dolly Splash Country Water Park, dozens of restaurants, and over 300 factory outlet stores. Visit Timber Tops Luxury Log Cabins at yourcabin.com to select from 400 luxury log cabins at very special rates, with glass beam walls that overlook the most breathtaking views of the Smokies. All of our cabins have hot tubs, and many have bedrooms with TV and DVD players. Timber Tops Luxury Log Cabin Rentals in Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge have private decks, perfect for relaxing after a day of playing and shopping in the Smokies. You won't believe how away from it all you will feel. Call 800-600-9605 or log on to yourcabin.com today.